Should you buy the dip in Meta stock? Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg made a big splash in October 2021 when he announced that his company would transition to a new stage. It would rebrand as Meta Platform going forward, and focus on a new mission. The company would focus on building the metaverse, a network of 3D virtual worlds that aim to bolster digital social connection. Shares of Meta have struggled to start 2022. The stock is down 38% as of April 2022. The company had a positive start to 2022 as it gorged on increased advertising revenue coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the bad news came fast and furious in February. Meta unveiled its fourth quarter and full-year 2021 earnings on February 3, 2022. The company missed its forecast to close out the year. It reported diluted earnings per share of $3.67, which fell short of analyst consensus estimates and fell 5% from the previous year. However, revenue was still up 20% from the fourth quarter of 2020. Zuckerberg noted that Meta would be focused on executing its strategic shift in 2022. It expects revenue of $28 billion for the full year. This is still short of analyst expectations. Meta has continued to invest in Reels, which it hopes can eventually pose a threat to TikTok. Shares of Meta last had a favorable price-to-earnings ratio of 15. The company spent most of February in technically oversold territory. It is still not too late to buy the dip in Meta today.